Graham David Holroyd here, and welcome to this review video for the Profit Machine. Now, the Profit Machine is a brand spanking new system created by Jonathan Montoya and Thomas Goetze. Now, I'm going to be explaining a little bit about this system, how it all works, and how you can get started today. Okay, so as you can see on screen, and if you want to check out this yourself, just simply click the link that's in the description. Okay, the link in the description, it'll bring you through to this page that'll just say confirm your email. Just enter your email, click confirm, and it'll literally bring you straight through to this page. Now, there's a full 10-minute presentation, okay, that's going to explain exactly how it all works and how you can get started, all on 100% autopilot, okay? And as you can see here, it does say at the top, warning, this brand new system is printing profits for everyday people, just like you, without any prior experience or social media following, okay? And it literally is a done-for-you system, okay? Now, once you've watched the video, you simply just click, I'm ready, set up my system. So you'll click here, you'll enter your details, and you will literally get started for $1. Okay, it's literally $1 for the first 7 days, then it's $37 a month. Okay, and I'll be honest, we're seeing people that are driving traffic, okay, and they're getting their first sale within 24 hours. Okay, so you could be potentially making money today, okay, within your 7-day trial. Okay, now it's entirely up to you if you want to click this button here. So this button here, yes, you want your traffic vendors and templates. So it's basically a PDF of Jonathan Montoya's and Thomas Goetz's high quality vendors, okay, for driving traffic using solo ads. And it's literally $27. So if you want to click that box, and then click get instant access. Or if you don't want it, just leave it unchecked and then click get access. Now, once you've got access, you're going to be brought through to a page like this. There actually will be another upsell. I'm going to be honest with you. The other upsell is, I believe it's $147. And what that basically does is it gives you lifetime access. Now, that's at the time of recording this video. Please note that price may change because at the moment it's $1 for the first 7 days, then $37 per month. If you choose that 147 option, you've literally got the access to the system for life, and you don't have to pay that $37. Now, again, that price could change, but I'm just pre-warning you, okay? Okay, so once you come through to this page, literally there's 4 steps to get started. That's how simple this is. So step number 1, so you'd watch this video, it's literally a 2-minute video, and you'd literally join the Facebook group. That's pretty much simple, okay? So you join the Facebook group, and you'll see for yourself when you get access to it, there are so many people posting on a daily basis, okay, that they've got their first commission. It's crazy. It literally is crazy. But make sure you stay to the end because I'm also going to give you a bonus. For anyone who access through my link in the description, I'm going to give you a super cool bonus. So once you've joined the Facebook group and you've watched this video, simply just click on step 2 at the top here. So step 2. Now, this step, 100% optional, okay? But it is 100% worth it. Here's why. Now, you don't have to do this. If you don't do it, okay, the affiliate program that comes with the Profit Machine is a 2-tier affiliate program. You basically get paid 30% on tier 1 and 10% on tier 2, okay, which is very generous. Now, if you choose to go Supercharge, okay, it'll turn it from a 2-tier to a 3-tier, okay, with increased commissions. So on the normal account, you get 30% commissions on tier 1, 10% on tier 2. Go Supercharge, you'll get 40% on tier 1, you'll get 20% on tier 2, and you'll also get 10% on tier 3. Unbelievable, it really is. But not only that, okay, you also get access to the members area. So once you get access to the Supercharger, you would simply create your account, you'd log in, and I'll just show you what it looks like, because I've actually got this myself. So you would access the bonus training. Very important. There's so much value in here. So there's the quick step instructions, there's advanced strategies, there's a traffic method for short form media via a place like TikTok, Facebook organic. Check this out. If you want to do organic marketing, there's a full presentation, a full masterclass, which is 4.5 hours long. Okay, so I highly recommend you get some popcorn, a lot of popcorn, get a few drinks, sit down, binge watch that. Okay, then there's traffic method 3, which is coming soon, because remember, this is brand spanking new. Okay, so at the time of recording this, I've personally only been in a few days myself, and I'm already seeing results, and I believe it's only been going for less than 2 weeks. Okay, again at the time of recording, and there's going to be some guest speakers, some interviews, and a lot more going on. Okay, so let me just go back to the page. So we've done that part, that's fine. We've come through here to step 2. So if you do want to go Supercharge, simply click the button and again, fill in your details, and it's going to be $247. Okay, and you're going to get access to all that members area, and you're also going to be upgraded to 30%, to 3-tier affiliate program. So I'll just show you again. If I come back here and go back, you can access them higher commissions by clicking on that button there. Then you can send traffic, and there's some additional income streams. Okay, very important. So when you go Supercharged, there's additional income streams. So not only will you get upgraded to the 3-tier affiliate program, there's also additional income streams. So you can earn even more money. Okay, so let's come back here. So once you've done that, again, this part's optional. You don't have to do it. If you choose not to do it, that's fine. Simply click on step 3. Now, step 3, this is where you literally get set up and get your affiliate links, okay? So what you would do is you would click this button, and it's going to bring you through to a page that's very similar to this. And as you can see here, I went Supercharged, so that's why I get 70% commissions, which again is 40% on tier 1, 20% on tier 2, and 10% on tier 3. And if you never chose to go Supercharge, you'll just get the 30% on tier 1 and then the 10% on tier 2. Okay, so then you would literally grab your affiliate link and start promoting. Okay, and there's multiple ways of promoting, and one of the easiest and quickest ways is, once you've done that step, is click on step 4. And step 4 is driving traffic to your affiliate link, so the one that you've just grabbed. So again, just watch this video and click on this button here. It'll take you through to a page called Traffic for Me. I'll just click on it and show you, which is basically running solo ads, very cheap solo ads, but high quality. Okay, and you don't have to send traffic from Traffic for Me. Okay, if you know other vendors out there, then by all means, you can literally go with them. I'm just showing you what they show you inside of this system. So if you want to take advantage of this, go ahead and do that. Because I'll be honest, we're seeing people that are grabbing results literally within hours of joining, okay? And you can do the exact same thing. So if you want to purchase some solo ads, by all means, do that. And then you pretty much, you're good to go. That's it. That's how simple this is. Now, again, I mentioned that I would give you a bonus, okay? Now, I created a course called Crazy Commissions, okay? And in this course, I literally show you, literally step by step, on how to build a list of fresh buyers, okay? People that are coming into your email list and driving traffic and making commissions. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. So I will give you this. Okay, now I only charge $17 for it, so I'm not giving you a massive bonus in price wise. But do you know what it is? This, I'll be honest, there's so many people that have got access to this course, and they're already making money implementing the strategies that I teach in this course. Okay, so by all means, you're going to get access to this, okay? And I'm just going to show you, this has literally generated me thousands of dollars, okay? I literally within, I think it was about 30, maybe 90 days. Anyway, I managed to generate over 20,000 email subscribers, constantly getting over 400 or 500 new email addresses per day. And I'm making commissions like this every 30 days. Okay. And I'm not showing you this to brag. I'm really not. I'm showing you this so you can see what's possible. Okay. And like I said, I'm literally going to be giving you this completely for free. And if I just scroll down, just so you can see, you actually even get some more bonuses within this bonus. Okay. Which is pretty cool. So I do short form media and I get results like this. I actually need to update this because I actually did one on Facebook, a simple video on Facebook that got over 1 million views. Okay. Excuse me. And like I said, I'm literally charging $17 for this. I should be charging a lot more, but I'm going to give it you completely for free as soon as you join the Profit Machine. And again, all you need to do, go back to the right page, is click the link. Yeah, enter your email, come through to this page, watch this video, click here and pay the dollar. That's it. Once you've done that and you're inside the system, literally just reach out to me. You can find me in the Facebook group. Just type in Graham Holroyd. Send me a message on Facebook and I'll get you your bonus. No problem at all. I just want you to succeed. And here's why. I'm selfish. I'm not going to lie. I am selfish because it's a 3-tier affiliate program for me. Okay. So if I help you generate sales, guess what? Exactly. I'm going to be earning commissions as well. So yes, I'm doing it very selfishly, but you know what? I don't care. I really don't care because if you're succeeding, I'm succeeding. So it's in my best interest to help you. That's why I want you to reach out to me as soon as you get access to the Profit Machine, because I want to help you the best way I know. Okay. And that's why I'm going to give you that bonus that I've created. Okay. So it's a full course. There's over 10 lessons. And I'll literally show you step by step on how I'm generating over 20,000 every single month online. So on that note, welcome to this review video. I cannot wait to see you inside the Profit Machine system. If you do have any questions, just drop them in the comments, but feel free to reach out to me and I cannot wait to see you on the inside. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.